Job search update. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So as you can see in the title of the video, let's kind of talk about where I am right now. So if you missed the last video and you've kind of tried to wonder why am I able to live stream so much these days, I have been unemployed now for, this is either the 5th or the 6th week. So August 9th was my last day, so you can do the math there. And I've been applying to a lot of jobs, data analyst, data science, data engineer, and been getting only rejections. No reach out backs, no interviews, nothing. So what I'm sensing is that, well, one, there are tremendous amount. So I read this one post by a leading machine learning individual at Activision, and her point is that not only is the tech industry slowing down and a lot of layoffs, but then also this time of year, a lot of college graduates are coming into the pool. So that is a very challenging time as well. So there are just hundreds of thousands of people searching for fewer and fewer jobs. So I guess the way that I'm looking at this, and I'm going to be updating you all about LinkedIn as well. But what are you doing? What are you doing that everybody, well, and in my case, I'm going to have to do something extraordinary to stand out because of my lack of education. So when I got my job at Walmart, I thought I was unprepared or underskilled, and I was just as good as everybody else, if not better. But on paper, I do not look that good. So I'm going to have to make myself so appealing that they want to talk to me, and that other people, because you're appealing. It's just like in a relationship, you're appealing if somebody else wants you. So you have to make yourself seem like other people want to have you in their employ, and then everybody will be like clamoring to want to talk to you. So it's kind of like how I created my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel got me my last job. So I'm theorizing that more than likely YouTube and LinkedIn are going to get me my next job. So what am I doing extra? And I'm trying to stay focused. And yeah, I've had some down days mixed in here. But what am I doing? Everybody needs a job. Everybody wants a job. Everybody fills out a resume. Everybody writes a cover letter. But what else are you doing? What makes you stand out to others? Because there was a saying that I came up with a few years ago. You're only as good as the extra that you do. And I know that, and I'm just continuously reminding myself of that. So just kind of share that, hopefully keep everybody motivated that is maybe possibly trying to find a job as well. Just stay in it. Keep learning, keep building, keep moving forward. Just from the old famous movie that you've heard me quote before, just keep swimming and just keep going and going and going and going. Because I truly believe that once you stop and become stagnant, that's when bad things happen. But if you're constantly moving forward and trying new things, doing new things, making yourself uncomfortable, you're going to you're going to be rewarded. So there we go, guys. If you've not joined the Discord server, check down in the description below. There's a lot of community support over there for a variety of things. Maybe we could even start job sharing of job posts of things like that. But I just want to tell everybody thank you very much. The live streams have kept my mind busy, keeping me prepared that if I do get an interview and if it does happen to be technical, I am completely sharp and on top of my game. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.